Okay, we're going to install this for pytest-html. I've already done a pip install of pytest-html. I've just run that here and installed it in. And if I do my pip list, I should see pytest-html somewhere up here. There we go. That's it there. So we've done that, setting up the environment example code. Well, we'll copy this. We'll use this here. And we'll go into PyTest with Eric 60. And that's got tests there. So let's make a folder of tests. And add our file. Test underscore, I'll give it a number in the 700s. I'll give it 700 and HTML report. .py. Let's leave that in there and let's see what we'll do next. If I copy that in, I don't think I've copied that in, I'll copy it in here. Control V, yeah. Core features, here's the exam PyTest. So let's copy that and I'm going to run python-m and copy that out, and we're going to go that. Let's go back, and what we're going to do, let's see, where are we in this? Tests /60 and press tab. What happened here? Error, assertion error, captured. 1 pass, 2 failed. Test edition failure. Failed, did not raise. This will fail. Okay, that's correct. So it's doing everything we want. Okay, they're not all passing, which is lovely, and it should have created a reports folder somewhere. And I think we can see that when we come in here. Run the tests. Yep, when all else fails, read instructions. And report.html. Let's have a look for report.html. There we go. I'm going to open with live server. There we go. And then we can see it. So I have the extension live server. Britwick day. So when I'm on the page in here, when I'm in this example here, let's close that down. If I click on this, let's collapse everything. If I right click, open with live server, that'll open it in a browser. And there we see the report. What else is it saying here? That's nice. Environment shows details, summary, customizing, change the title. And it shows that we need it in the hook. So that's quite interesting. The HTML title report. So we'll copy that and put that into a conf-test.py file. So in that folder, in 60, let's create in tests. Let's create in that folder, we'll put it in the folder, conf-test.py, Control V. See that, PyTest HTML report example. We come in here, let's regenerate the report. CLS, up again. Lovely. And let's just have a look at the report. Open with live server. PyTest HTML report example. So we can put this conf test, we can put it in the test folder too, and let's see that work. And what we'll do is we'll change that to a double exclamation, triple exclamation mark. Run it. Open the live server. There it all works. So it looks for the nearest conftest.py file, either in here or in the folder above. What else is in the article? Add project name. So we're adding something else from PyTest. So let's add this one in here. PyTest with Eric. We're stashing a configure a metadata key. Let's generate the report and let's just see add image while we're there. Do that all at once. This is much bigger. This is a complete example of report and config. Let's copy that. Let's put it in here. And screenshot path that screenshot. So obviously we need an environment variable to place that in here. So that image is not going to sort of come up. There's an image at top there. So I won't add the image just yet, but that's a python.env. Let's just run this again and see what happens. Test screenshot.png. If report when got, assuming your screenshot is saved correctly. All right, so what we'll do is we'll just comment this out. That's look at that separately, that if we've actually got a screenshot. So what we'll do is let's make a screenshot. And let's just make a screenshot of this. And we'll save it in desktop, PyTest full stack. I'm going to put it into screenshots there. I'm going to do pytest-html. HTML. Save that there. When we come back here, we can call it os.getEnvironment screenshot path. Specified path. Let's just see os.getEnvironment screenshot path. Why don't we just call that /screen. See if this works. No such file .screenshot.png. Okay, so let me just, it's pytest-html, so let me just change that. Let's see if this works. With open assuming the screenshot path, opening it up. Why don't we actually just call it /screenshots/ screenshot. Actually, it's pytest.html. I don't think that's going to work. HTML, PNG. Something better there. Not bad. Open the live server. Yep, there's a nice screenshot. That's the one. So we've seen that. If we come back here, if we look in our directory, I've got a folder for my playwright for screenshots. When we come into here, it's literally just the screenshot is, because PyTest is running from the root of the folder, so it's ./screenshots PyTest LMEV. Nice, so that's put in the report there. What else? With GitHub Actions, combine coverage reports with that. Best practices, good. Well, that looks quite nice. So that's a good example now. So we've got our PyTest, and what we can do is CLS is let's run it on (02). So it's going to be tests. So it's going to be up to the top there if we're going to run that. So to be honest, we would actually want to bring that PyTest report -tests slash 02. Let's just see 02. Well, let's run it on Coffee Before Arch. Let's run everything there. It's all running through. Didn't do the -vs. Nice. If we look at our reports now, 52 pass, 7 skips, 7 expected failures. Nice little report there. And we're not getting the image because we're not in that particular test file. So that's very nice. So just to recap, long-winded, but that was PyTest HTML with Eric. PyTest with Eric. We're doing the custom report. I'll save the link and put it in the description.